Which city in Pakistan is among the most polluted cities in the world in 2025? The answer for this question is Lahore. What is the name of the program launched by the Punjab Police to promote online safety among school children? The answer for this question is Cyber Zago. Where and when is the third edition of the Pravasi Parichai Cultural Festival being held? The answer for this question is Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, 28 October to 3rd November 2025. When and where is the International Aryan Summit 2025 being held? The answer for this question is 31st October 2025 in New Delhi. When and where is the national launch of the Model Youth Gram Sabha MYGS initiative be held? The answer for this question is 30 October 2025 New Delhi. Which GI tagged horticultural products did India first export to the UK in October 2025? The answer for this question is Indi Lime Karnataka and Puriyal Kundi Lime Tamil Nadu. When is the World Stroke Day observed and what is the theme for 2025? The answer for this question is October 29. Every minute counts. Where was the 20th edition of the East Asia Summit EASB in 2025 held? The answer for this question is Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Uttar Pradesh 76 district was declared as which area? The answer for this question is Kalyan Singh Nagar. What was the index of the industrial production IIP growth rate for 2025 September? The answer for this question is 4%. These are the important current affairs for the October 30 and 31st. Thank you for watching.